My name is Vihan. My class is 3rd grade. I'd like to thank Bhupati Master for everything he does. My handwriting has improved a lot. This is how I write now. I'd also like to thank you for the Racy Calligraphy channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Racy. I'm studying in 2nd standard at St. Joseph High School, Mumbai. My mom and dad saw the interview of Bhupati sir on Vikatan about his 7-day stand of calligraphy. As I am very much interested in good handwriting, we utilize this lockdown period to learn through online. Bhupati sir sends videos by teaching only 3 simple strokes for the letters, and he makes us to practice the same way. He corrects our mistakes immediately. His encouragement makes us enthusiastic. Thank you, Bhupati sir, for making my handwriting good. This is my old handwriting. This is my new handwriting.